guys. On to vlog. Ready to McDo.
Yeah. Simple lang po.
Simple lang po kami kasi kakagising ng namin.
Pero swabe ang hotel.
Okay, papasok-pasok ulit. Outfit check.
Outfit check. Outfit check. Outfit check. Ba't ako?
Guys, mas SM na kami. Iniisip namin kung mag-KFC na lang kami or Mac. I think magmamakdo na lang kami. Dahil nasasawa na po kami mag-KFC. Okay guys, babalik na. Nandito na po kami sa McDo. Dito na lang. Hey guys. Bibili na po kami ng McDo. Hey guys. Mayaman na pumunta dito. McDo here. Okay, nagtawa na ako sa McDo. Nagsasawa na kami sa McDo. Pero no fishballs.
A few moments later.
Guys, nakaupo na ako dito. It's here. Hinihintay ko na ako kasi.
Never thought about a day that I've been needing more of this feeling. I can't hide it to you anymore. The way you look, the way you move, you're heating up the floor, baby.
It's later.
I somehow see what's beautiful and things that are ephemeral. I'm my only friend of mine. Love is just a piece of time in the world, in the world. And I couldn't help but fall in love again. No, I couldn't help but fall in love again. No, I couldn't help but fall.
Reading fake comments. Reading fake comments. Okay. Sino una?
Ba't mo tinanong? Nagbabike pala mga ako. Alam, may tatlong chokoron. La, ginato comment. Muntanga. Ala, bakit naka-orange yung unggoy? Bakit? Hindi ka mahal ng crush mo. Lo, may paliki sa likod. Ibig kasi mukhang pinipin. Joke lang ah.
Joke lang.
Wow, wow.
Joke time.